Hi, my name is Mark and I'm the CEO here at TorchPrep. You know, our vision in 2009 when we started, and it still remains the same today, was to be the type of company that will serve and partner closely with families to help kids go to college. Now, on average, we're expecting about a 3-point increase of students coming out of TorchPrep. Now, of course, that means some students will score higher and some students will score less. If you've seen my video on what's your ACT score worth, then you know that any score improvement has a financial return for any student. Now, that being said, if you are one of the students whose score does not improve, what does that mean for you? Well, it means two things. Number one, you come back through the TorchPrep program, take another ACT test. And if your score doesn't improve after that, call us, no problem. We will refund your money all the way. The way that I hope you see TorchPrep, because it's the way we see our partners, is that we are in the ring together. We're gonna fight to get your students whatever the score is necessary to get where they need to be. Thanks for watching.